unveiling the whimsy and wisdom of the Canterville ghost. Oscar Wilde, renowned for his wit and flamboyance, penned The Canterville Ghost as a playful take on the traditional ghost story. The narrative introduces the American Otis family who move into a haunted British mansion, only to meet its spectral inhabitant, Sir Simon. The Otis family, hailing from the United States, brings a refreshing blend of skepticism and modernity to the ancient Canterville chase. Unfazed by the ghostly legends, they approach their new English home with practicality and a touch of humor. Canterville Chase holds a reputation for being haunted by Sir Simon, a ghost doomed to roam its halls due to a dark past. His spectral presence has been a known legend among locals, adding a mysterious allure to the stately home. Upon their arrival, the Otis family encounters Sir Simon, who makes grandiose attempts to terrify them. However, his efforts are met with practical solutions and indifference, much to his dismay, setting the stage for a series of humorous confrontations. The story cleverly juxtaposes British aristocratic traditions against American pragmatism. While the ghost clings to his dramatic methods, the Otis family's no-nonsense, innovative approach to dealing with Sir Simon highlights a cultural clash that drives much of the story's humor. Despite Sir Simon's menacing persona and ghostly tactics, his attempts to terrify the Otis family continuously fall flat. The family's pragmatic and nonchalant reactions to his hauntings, such as offering oil for his noisy chains, add a humorous twist to the traditional ghost story. Virginia Otis stands apart with her sensitive and compassionate demeanor towards Sir Simon. While the rest of her family responds to the ghost with practical jokes, Virginia shows curiosity and empathy, sensing the deep sorrow behind his spectral presence. Sir Simon's tragic past is revealed as the root of his haunting. Once a proud but now tormented spirit, he is bound to Canterville Chase by a curse stemming from his murder of his wife. His redemption becomes a key plot element, stirring sympathy among readers. The novel explores themes of redemption and forgiveness, particularly through Sir Simon's interactions with Virginia. His desperate desire for peace contrasts sharply with his humorous and often failed attempts to assert his ghostly influence over the Otis family. The recurring motif of the bloodstain on the library floor serves as a symbol of Sir Simon's unresolved guilt and the family's initial skepticism about ghostly phenomena. Each transformation of the stain reflects a shift in the family's engagement with the ghost story. The twins in The Canterville Ghost play a pivotal role in the narrative, often engaging in playful mischief that exacerbates the ghost, Sir Simon's, frustrations. Their pranks and irreverent behavior towards the ghost add a light-hearted, comedic element to the story, contrasting sharply with the darker, Gothic themes. Gothic elements in the story, such as the airy atmosphere of Canterville Chase and the ghost's haunting presence, are skillfully balanced with humor. Wilde uses this blend to critique the traditional British ghost story, injecting wit and a modern perspective that appeals to a broader audience. The relationship between Virginia Otis and the ghost deepens as she shows empathy towards Sir Simon, unlike the rest of her family. This bond is crucial as it not only highlights her compassionate nature but also sets the stage for the pivotal moments in the plot. Virginia's journey with the ghost to the Garden of Death marks a significant turn in the narrative. This mystical experience, where she confronts life and death themes, is instrumental in the ghost's redemption and underscores the theme of forgiveness and redemption. The resolution of the curse through Virginia's intervention allows Sir Simon to finally rest, releasing him from his earthly bonds. This act of compassion not only resolves the central conflict but also reinforces the moral backbone of the story, showcasing the power of forgiveness and understanding. Virginia Otis' return from the Garden of Death marked a pivotal transformation in her character. After aiding in Sir Simon's release, her newfound maturity and depth of understanding about life and forgiveness resonated deeply with her family, bringing them closer together. The liberation of Sir Simon not only impacted the ghost himself but also brought a sense of peace and closure to Canterville Chase. The Otis family, once disturbed by eerie occurrences, now enjoyed the tranquility of their home, appreciating its history and legacy anew. The union between Virginia Otis and the Duke of Cheshire was celebrated with great enthusiasm, symbolizing a harmonious blend of American vivacity and British tradition. This marriage also served as a bridge, further uniting the two distinct cultures within the family. Oscar Wilde's The Canterville Ghost masterfully highlights cultural disparities through its satirical lens, critiquing both American materialism and British antiquity. Wilde uses sharp wit and irony to expose and explore the absurdities inherent in societal norms of his time. The story of The Canterville Ghost continues to captivate audiences, inspiring numerous adaptations across various forms of media. Its timeless appeal lies in Wilde's unique blend of gothic and comedic elements, making it a beloved classic that challenges and entertains. The Canterville Ghost has transcended its original publication as a novella to become a beloved fixture in various forms of media. From stage adaptations to films and animated features, each version brings its unique flair while retaining the core themes of redemption and humor. This enduring appeal of The Canterville Ghost lies not just in its witty prose or the charming clash of cultures but also in Oscar Wilde's timeless insight into human nature and societal norms. As readers and viewers revisit this classic tale, its layers continue to resonate and entertain, solidifying its status as a perennial favorite. To read full content of the book, purchase the book by following the link given in the comments section. See you in the next video.